Want to change your LearnWorlds video player but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the video player in LearnWorlds step by step. Plus, I'll share an important tip at the end about alternatives that may even suit your needs better, so make sure you stick around. First, let's dive into the LearnWorlds interface. When you log into your account, go to the Courses tab and pick the course where you want to change the video player. Once you're inside the course editor, you'll need to select the lesson or module that has the video you want to edit. The video player settings are located right within the lesson editor, making it easy to tweak without extra steps. Next, click on the video player itself. You should see an option that says Settings or Player Settings. In this section, you can customize various features of the video player, such as the autoplay setting, controls visibility, and the overall style of the player. LearnWorlds does a decent job of providing customization options, but it's worth noting that you're somewhat limited in how much you can modify the player's appearance compared to other platforms. The fourth thing to know is about the integration options. You can integrate external players like Vimeo or Wistia, which can give you more flexibility with player design and video quality. However, while this adds some functionality, it also means you'll need to manage these third-party accounts, which can complicate things. Next, if you're looking for a more customized experience, you can use LearnWorlds API or embed custom code into your video player. This gives you more control over the functionality, but if you're not a techie, this may feel like a steep learning curve. Now, let's talk about what other platforms offer. While LearnWorlds has some flexibility, it doesn't always have the most advanced features when it comes to video player customization. If you're looking for more robust options, platforms like Teachable and Thinkific give you a bit more control, especially in terms of design and player controls. But even those have their limitations. In fact, if you want something that's both feature-rich and easy to use, there's one option that stands out. Before we wrap up, I want to share a tool that might be a better fit for your needs. This software not only gives you more customization options, but it also provides an enhanced experience for your learners. Stick around for a bonus. Through the link below, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial to this platform, plus some awesome benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, if you're ready for better video player customization, check out the link in the description. You'll get access to a free trial, plus some special perks for being a viewer of this video. Trust me, this is the solution you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those alternative options for a better video experience.